Think of a product or service that your organization provides. Now think about the recurring activities that manage and support that product or service. These activities are known as product and service management. Your company might not classify these activities under the product and service management umbrella, but every organization carries out this management practice. This type of management is responsible for creating strategies for a company's products and services. To achieve this, product and service management is interlinked with the product and service lifecycle. The product or service strategy needs to be tailored specifically to the requirements of the stage in the lifecycle the product or service has reached. The product and service management process always begins with a new product or service idea. This process guides the product or service to the market and provides support to customers who purchase it. Throughout the course, the term product may be used in reference to both products and service. Product and service management is a vital process in both service and manufacturing operations. And remember that whether a product is tangible, for example a laptop, or intangible such as phone service support for laptop operation, it requires product and service management. Manufacturing and service operations both rely on product and service management to provide a complete beginning-to-end solution for their products. Examples of manufacturing operations include automobile manufacturers, laptop producers, and pharmaceutical companies. The same principles apply to a service environment and a manufacturing environment. So, regardless of the type of environment, the main principles of operations management will apply. More often than not, companies are combining both manufacturing and service elements in their product offering to remain competitive. A common example of this is the computer manufacturing industry, where support services are also offered with a product. By ignoring product and service management, your company runs the risk of failing to maximize a potentially successful product's potential or promoting a product with no market potential at all. Both outcomes result in losses for your company. All effective and successful companies use product and service management. Sometimes it's referred to in different terms or broken down into separate management functions. But product service management gives shape and focus to a company's product strategy. Product and service management plays a crucial role in generating revenue for an organization. When handled correctly, product and service management can contribute to selling more current and new products to both current and new customers. All companies that produce goods and services face the same customer requirements. Customers want a better, more effective, more cost-effective product in a faster manner. The problem facing product and service managers is how to achieve this. To successfully address this requirement, there needs to be a close link between a company's marketing and operations functions. When operations closely aligns with marketing, the resulting synergy can positively affect sales growth in existing markets. This organizational impetus may also help explore the viability of expanding into new markets. The alliance between marketing and operations has been traditionally strong in service organizations. By tying customer requirements with these two functions, greater possibilities for after-sales and promotions are created. Product strategies vary depending on the product lifecycle, and it's important for operations managers to understand this. They need to be flexible enough to react accordingly if there is a change in alignment with current or future marketing requirements. And an operations manager who understands the product lifecycle is able to participate in a strategic redesign of existing products in cooperation with marketing. Product and service managers are responsible for identifying the best product strategy to maximize a product's potential. To achieve this, the manager must ensure that the strategy is in line with certain aspects of the organization. The product strategy is aligned with the organization's vision, corporate strategy, and divisional strategy, which provide a focus for developing and leveraging core competencies. The product strategy is also aligned with marketing tactics and customer satisfaction, resulting in a focus on customer-specific needs. So, why is it important to understand how product strategies can vary depending on the product lifecycle? The operations section of an organization can be responsive and flexible when a product or process change occurs in the marketing section. Operations managers can contribute to the redesign of an existing product in cooperation with their colleagues in marketing. Operations and marketing managers are able to separately carry out forward planning based on the product lifecycle and can concentrate on improving their own functions. And the operations and marketing sections can predict where their respective roles will overlap so they are able to schedule joint communication sessions at select stages instead of having to collaborate at each stage. Please pause the video to reflect on the correct answer. When you're ready, we can compare together. Option 1. This option is correct. Operations and marketing need to be closely aligned. If marketing detects a change in customer needs, this must also be made known to the operations section so it can react promptly and effectively. Option 2. That option is correct. It's vital that operations and marketing collaborate. The product may need to be enhanced at different stages with the function the customer wants. The need for an alteration to the product will be identified by marketing and then operations will carry out the enhancement. Option 3. This option is incorrect. For a product strategy to be successful, it needs both operations and marketing working in an aligned manner. Option 4. That option is incorrect. It is important that operations and marketing work closely together and communicate effectively during all stages of the product lifecycle. So this is the overview of the product lifecycle. In the next lecture, we are going to learn more details and focus on actions for product lifecycle stages.